Hi everyone, we're going to do another unboxing. This is one of the latest planes by Freewing, just released last month. Right, so let's take a look at it. Alright, it's upside down, but it's in my mind. I bought it from Castle. Very fast delivery. Although a little bit more expensive, but okay. Tape everywhere. Right. Go. This is a 90mm F-16 version 2, right? I bought the version 1 like 7 years ago, and this time Freewing decided to bite the bullet and do some revisions on this one. Let's see what they did, and it is good enough or not. Plastic cap, film, tape, making sure that everything arrives in good condition. Thanks to Raymond. Here for the vacuum. Okay, the box is really nice. Oh, nice. These are not F-16, just spares from other planes. Okay, wow. Right, from looking at it, probably the only thing I need to complain is that there is no side windows. For me, F-16 has to have side windows, right? Okay, here's what we have. To layer box. This one. Alright. Here on top we have, I can see one wing or two. We have the manual. Lately they're coming with this warning about the voltage, probably because somebody burned the control box. Very concise, right? You have all the things that you need. All right. Right here we have the. I think this is sparrow. At least I'm not sure. For the shape of the pylon, this is for the wingtip, and this is for under wing. But I would like to have the side windows on the wingtips. And this is the manual for the gyro, but I'm not going to use it. Multi-function control box. That must be the old blue box. One wing. This is aggressor, that's why we have the star and the USA symbol. The lights improve. Wow, a lot of rivets. They need to understand that the jets, they don't use race rivets. These are all race rivets. And, yeah, the same way that they did the rivets for the 262, right? But okay. They like to put details or not pay attention to the logical scale. Alright, this is the rudder. Very nice. This is a fresh feeling to have something with a very different color from the gray or the Thunderbirds versions. We have the rudder and the lights. One here, one here. I think this is a strobe. Install the servo with ball link, metal ball link. Okay, it looks nice. It has more plastic than the previous one. The previous one didn't have all this plastic. Still, this one is foam. Be careful. Alright. This is the other wing. Provided hardware. This must be the rods for the elevator, push rods, collars, the wooden fins, but I already had the design, 3D printed design, so no problem. What we have here, wow, this is detailing for the cockpit, not bad. You see the dash, that before it was foam, now it's plastic. The dash, the monitors, the joysticks, the sides, really nice. And even I think this, oh wow, look at this, all these details. Really good, really nice. Spars. I think before we have only one spar, but now we have two. Okay, good. What is it for? Now the main part. Okay, these are the side windows, but you see these are under wing side windows already joined to the pod, to the not pod, I forgot the name. Alright, then we have an elevator. Very nice finishing. Very strong control point, control horn. Alright, what we have here. These spars, if I say something here, for transport use only. So this one is not the one we're going to use. That's why they have the big ones. All right, strip it. Here we go. Again, they put rivets everywhere, raised rivets everywhere. We have 2 sets of servo here. I think it's for the brakes, the air brakes. We have the wheel doors. A little bit different. Before they didn't have this plastic here. It looks nice. And we have the splitter here, right? Also was not present in the old version. Okay, this is the fuselage. Here is the tail cone. You will realize no lights on this one. Previous version have a light, but now no lights. Because mostly now everybody is using center burners or nothing. Okay, here is the see. This is an idea that I saw a long time ago in the 3D printed world, right? This is very nice, actuated, spring-loaded air brake. So once, okay, looks really nice. Not very aerodynamic, but it's a nice gimmick. Okay, we have the nose cone. This time the nose cone is mostly foam and just plastic in the front. Remember last time they were all fiberglass and it was really fragile. I had to change, I think, 2 of them. The things that they improve is the plastic lining of the legs, right? So it's going to give more durability in the transport, because usually this one was the first one to get dings and so on, nicks. Okay, now let's take a look inside. Oops. Yes. Okay. Strong magnet. Yeah, I'm thinking where all this thing goes, right? Because it already has the okay, this is like an improvement, right? Because here you have a very skinny, you see the joystick, very skinny joystick, not really scale. And also the ejection seat, this one is just the styrene and this one is plastic, and this one is much more detailed deck and the dashboard and all the details. Oh, I mean, it's going to be nice to include all the details here. Alright, let's take a look of something really important. Okay. It seems we have a oh yes, we have cockpit lights, right, coming here to the HUD. Very nice. This is really nice touch. You see the light there? It's a really nice touch. Okay, now something very important. Where everything goes, right? Because especially this one is going to be it is a 8-cell setup, so I'm planning to use 2 4S6000, although I have 2 9000 from my Tomcat, but let's see how it fits or not. Something that's calling my attention is this. It looks like what? What's this? I don't know. 2 pieces of plywood contour. Not sure about what that. We'll analyze in the manual. The usual fuel tanks, very big attachment points. Right. That's it. That's it. No more things. This is nice because, as I mentioned before, this one was very fragile. And we lost the lights and the tail cone, but we are going to put center burner. Here we see the Inrunner motor for the EDF. I think it's a 1007 something like that. Not 100% sure. Okay, overall it looks really nice. We'll proceed with the assembly, and I'm not going to maintain this weekend. It's going to be next weekend, right? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Keep posted, please subscribe to support my channel, and have a very good day and a good weekend. Bye.